Hey Familia, it is time to replace the rotors on your 271 Big Brake Kit. I'm Vincent, and today I'm going to show you just how to do that. We're going to talk a little bit about the rotor itself. We're going to show you the components that come with the replacement kit and show you how to do it properly. So tune in and let's jump right in. So here's our used rotor. As you can see, we've got the aluminum anodized hat right here and then the rotor ring. And if you look closely, you can see all of these little bolts that are securing the top hat to the rotor. So the replacement's pretty straightforward. We're basically going to loosen all of these bolts, separate the hardware, and then we're going to pull the aluminum hat from the rotor, clean up the hat a little bit, and reinstall it to our new rotor ring, and we'll be good to go. All right, so now that we've got the hardware out, the rotor ring is gonna separate from the top hat. Just pull it off and you're all set. All right, now that we've got our rotor ring separated, what I like to do is just get a little rag with a little bit of cleaner. We just wanna wipe it down, make sure it's nice and clean. The most important part here is these mounting surfaces. We wanna make sure that they're free of any dirt, debris, anything like that. Don't have to get crazy here. So we're just gonna get a rag and wipe them down all the way through, and then that's it. You will see that the rotor has an inset. We're gonna be putting it on the top side, not the inset side right here. So rotor ring down, top hat on top, and then you're gonna grab your new hardware. We're gonna start putting it back in the holes. Now, all of these bolts that we provide come with blue Loctite. Already installed all them, so you don't have to do it yourself. Just another quick and easy thing that we do to help redefine your install. Once you got all the bolts in, I like to just carefully lift my rotor up so that they don't come off. Then starting on the back side, we're gonna start installing all of the new nuts. These are special lock nuts, and you're gonna just slowly start threading them all on. And that's it, guys. You have successfully replaced the rotor ring on your 271 Big Brake Kit. So as mentioned, you're gonna get the rotor ring, fresh hardware, installation instructions like with everything that we offer, and then just go ahead and give these guys a nice wipe down, put them on the car, and you're all set. As always, I'm Vincent. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you guys next time.